कुछ ही घंटे पहले पाकिस्तानी हवाई जहाजों ने हमारे हवाई अड्डों पर बमबाजी की। मुझे जरा भी संदेह नहीं है कि विजयी भारत की जनता की, भारत की बहादुर सेना की होगी।
Traditionally, the naval tableau paraded during Republic Day parade is aligned with the Navy's theme of the year. This year's theme is Indian Navy, combat ready, credible and cohesive. The nation is also commemorating the golden jubilee of the victory in 1971 war as Swarnim Vijay Varsh this year. The Indian Navy proved its mettle as a credible force to reckon in 1971 war, proving its combat efficiency, and hence this year's tableau aims to showcase the Navy's stellar role as a credible force during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. The forward part of the tableau showcases the attack on Karachi harbour by missile boats. The attacks were undertaken as part of Operation Trident on 3rd 4th December night and Operation Python on 8th 9th December night. The tableau depicts the missile boat firing and also the route taken by the attacking units during both operations as track charts on sides of the tableau. The rear section of the tableau illustrates the Navy's aircraft carrier INS Vikrant conducting flying operations with the versatile Seahawk and Alizé aircraft. The air operations from Vikrant led to sizable damage to ships and shore installations of East Pakistan and contributed immensely towards the creation of friendly neighbor. While we celebrate our victory, we also acknowledge the courage and sacrifice of the naval personnel who wrote the glorifying chapter of naval history. The tableau showcases photographs of the naval awardees of Mahavir Chakra, one of which was posthumous. On the sides of the tableau are murals depicting various ships that participated in the war, commando operations, Operation X undertaken by the Navy, along with the Mukti Vahini and the surrender ceremony of Dhaka. While the Navy has many other operations to its credit during the 1971 war, the paucity of the space on the tableau precludes showcasing all these elements. The tableau is an attempt to highlight the most significant aspects of naval operations conducted during the 1971 war and pay rich tributes to those who were involved in these. I sincerely hope the naval tableau would evoke the spirit of pride and patriotism amongst the audience witnessing the parade and a sense of nostalgia amongst those who participated. Jai Hind, Shamno Varuna.